In this video, we will show you how to replace a Mylar window kit on the AB-100 detection module. To do this, you'll need the AB-100 detection module, a new Mylar window kit, and a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the protective cover from the AB-100 probe. Position the probe detector facing up. Remove the two screws holding the grid. Remove the grid. Remove the Mylar window by gripping the sides and lifting. Hold the new Mylar frame by the edges to avoid touching the window. Install the new Mylar frame, taking care to keep the foam on the grid side. Install the grid on the probe by starting on the keyed side. Install the screws. Put the protective cover back on the AB-100. The AB-100 is now ready to be used.